guys, a brilliant dummy here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's makeover is pretty cool. We got my girl Christina Faith, writer, producer, director. She's also the co-host of a podcast that her and I do called A Lot of Hats, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, today I'm going to be making over her home office so she can make some more scripts, you know what I mean, get that right in there. So I'm not going to be doing too much, just going to be adding some, shelving on the walls, going to be doing a nice accent wall in the room, and yeah, adding some color and just brighten it up, do what I do. So yeah, let's get into it. First, about to go shopping to get what we need and get started. All right. So we are like 3 makeovers into my YouTube channel, and I'm just not doing anything without plants or lighting somehow involved. So yeah, you just might as well get used to that. So day 2, we are taping up the wall to start this accent wall. Got the cat chilling with me. He could at least help. You gonna help? No, you're not gonna help. He's just watching me. So here I'm just prepping the doors, getting them ready. I decided to go with like a deep blue, so I'm gonna take off all of the doorknobs and spray paint them a nice like copper gold just to bring out that blue, and yeah, make the doors fancy. Alright, so the wall is all done. I love the way this blue came out. Just gives it color but still doesn't make it feel small, so love it. I am about to paint the radiator. I'm gonna hit that with a fresh white coat so it's nice and new. And we will be finally done painting. This is my favorite part of painting, just stripping all the painter's tape off to get those lines and hope that the paint didn't seep in. But yeah, this is so therapeutic. to take this wooden bench that Christina already has, and I'm going to actually respray paint it. I like it. So we'll use it for another bookshelf. And then going to finish off this wall, add some shelving to this wall. So I'm going to be using this blue satin color. So when I originally spray painted this bench and stool, it came out a little bit too blue. So I'm gonna hit it with another primer and darker shade of blue. I was trying to go for a navy, but we'll see. Alright, so still on the hunt for spray paint. I don't know why there's like a national shortage of everything. I can't find nothing. I ended up finding the two that I wanted and need, so hopefully these work. Because we're supposed to be getting a snowstorm soon, so trying to get as much done as possible, but almost there. Alright, so now I have the brackets all done, have the cabinets or shelves stained, and I am about to start putting these together. So these are the hands of Christina's awesome husband Alan, who is helping me out with these shelves. Shout out to him. I don't like putting holes in people's walls, so he just came through and did the drilling for me. So today I am shopping for frames to put together the accent wall, which is the blue wall that I painted. Christina has these Dear Creative sayings that she usually posts online, and so I wanted to kind of take a few of those saying that she says and put them into frames. And so yeah, I designed some of them, blew them up, and yeah, about to make a nice little mosaic wall. Alright, so here's a really cool quick hack to make some curtains if you can't actually find any, which is very hard to. I usually just go to the fabric store. I'll just like buy, you know, maybe 2 or 3 yards of fabric depending on how long I want, and then I take some razor blade and just create splits in them and literally just thread it through the curtain rod, and boom, you got some curtains. So finally putting the last touch to the room, which is the desk, and then done. Yeah, it took me about, I guess, like 2 weeks to get everything in place and order and everything. Had a couple snowstorms that delayed, but yeah, got it done.
This is more than what I wanted.
Hey, look at your room, babe. Look at your room.
Thank you. I can write now. It's like a coffee shop.
Great things in here. Great things.
Let's get this money. Okay, that's it.
Times 3.
It's like a coffee shop. I'm so done with y'all. Alright, all of those are going in. That's all bloopers. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, all that. And check out our podcast, A Lot of Hats, on all streaming platforms. Peace.